Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module, I want to show you how you can create a chart and how you can create a chart based on non-adjacent columns. So first of all, I have some data on the screen. I don't have anything selected. Let's see what happens. If I go Insert, up here you've got Insert Chart as an option. And you get a chart almost straight away on the screen. Nothing was highlighted. I can pick a different style of chart if I so wish, and I'll get a little preview of that. Now, the reason I've got this big column here is because this total column is selected. Because I didn't highlight anything, it's grabbed the whole set of data. If I just cancel that, now if I do it like this, if I highlight that bit, so I've not got the total column selected, and I'll go for getting a chart from this option, Insert Chart there, same sort of thing. Now what I get is everything except the total. So I get the four regions, north, east, west, south and west, and I don't get the total. Now I can follow this through and just make any changes I might need to. I don't want to change anything. I'll just go finish. And that is the end product. That's your chart. If I delete that one, just click off it a minute and delete it. What if I want just a couple of these categories? I highlight that column. That's the labels. And let's say I want east and west. So what I'm doing there is I'm holding my control key down while I select that information. And then if I go back to the Insert tab there and pick up a chart, you can see it's just picking those two. I'll go finish. And there is the chart looking at those two columns. So with the control key down, you can select non-adjacent columns. And if I just get rid of this chart again and do the labels, I've gone for that blank cell so I can pick up the total label. Control key down, highlight that, go to the Insert tab or the Insert menu, whichever way you want to do it. Click on the option you want. Now I've just got the totals. You can follow the wizard through if you want to make any changes, which I don't, and then you click on finish. And there is your chart. Don't really need to have the label saying total when there's only one category. So that is this. You've got your months across the bottom, you've got your figures as your column chart. So just to recap, to create a chart using non-adjacent columns, you must hold your control key down while you select those non-adjacent columns. For those of you that like using key commands, you can use key commands in LibreOffice Calc. What I'll do first off is just get rid of this one, delete this off, and highlight the same information. So I'll highlight that column, hold my control key down, and highlight that column. The key commands are Alt-I, C, and then Alt-F, which seems a bit of a long-winded way of doing it, but let's just explain what happened there. So when you go Alt-I, that drops down the Insert menu. So these letters that are underlined means that you can activate those with the Alt key. I then press C because this menu was down. The C is underlined. I'll just click that for a minute. And then I did Alt F to get the finish on this because I just wanted to finish it off. That's how that's worked. And that's the key command for you to get a chart, the same chart that we had initially. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can create a chart based on non-adjacent columns using just the menus, and also how you can do it with key commands. So hopefully that video is of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.